Let me give an example in which people seem to be misled by the idea of a political spectrum. In the early 90s, the United States and several other nations went to war in the Persian Gulf. Right? The goal was to liberate Kuwait from an occupation by the government of Iraq. It came as a surprise to many people that certain conservatives came out very strongly against the Gulf War. Right? So people thought, oh, it's, the American government is going to war. Conservatives are going to be very patriotic, right? They honor the military, right? They're really going to get behind this. And several important people, or at least certain parts of the conservative movement, were staunchly against it. Now, this surprised people, right? Because it's not what they expected. But if you look back in history, in American history, actually, traditionally, conservatives tend to be pretty anti-war, particularly isolationist. Right? Now, that wasn't true from the 50s through the 90s, or the late 80s. Why? Because it was the Cold War, right? And conservatives had various reasons for supporting the Cold War. But people lost sight of the fact that there's a very important strain, sometimes called old right, that is very, very skeptical of any type of intervention in other countries. So this is another case where people were assuming that there was a uniform political spectrum, right? And they didn't see that it was actually more complicated than that. And because of this, they were surprised when certain people took positions, right, that didn't seem to fit with their label.